we're gonna eat some chicken today. I've got a big old pack of chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. I'm gonna get them seasoned up on the smoker. I'm gonna run them at about 400 degrees today, but I'm taking these a different level with my white sauce. This is gonna be kind of that take on Alabama style chicken, smoked to perfection. Let's get to cooking. So I've got a big family pack of these skin on, bone in chicken thighs. These are the exact same ones that we would cook when we were doing KCBS contest. They're big thighs. You don't have to do a lot to them. We're not trying to do competition chicken here, but I do like to clean them up a little bit. A lot of times you can take this bone here and kind of pop it down just to square them up. Clean that thigh up a little bit, but we just want a good shaped thigh. Should look like a little pillow sitting there. But what I like to do now is just kind of take them and spread them out a little bit because we got to get some seasoning on them. So we got them all skin side down. I'm going to use a little bit of that AP season, that salt, pepper, garlic, and then to keep those barbecue flavors rolling, I've got some of my The Barbecue Rub. Now we're just going to take them, flip them over, y'all. Got to have both sides of this chicken seasoned. And we're just going to do the same thing. Hit them with the AP first, a little light coat, and then right back with a little bit of barbecue rub on top. And now all I do is I take my glove hand and just kind of shape these thighs back up the way you want them to cook. So if you kind of wrap that skin around, turn them into a little pillow just by using your hand and forming them up, they're going to cook better, they're going to look better. Y'all know we eat with our eyes first. So for these thighs, I've got my silverback fired up here running about 400 degrees using some Royal Oak charcoal and hickory combined pellets. It's going to give me some nice hardwood flavor, but I'm going to get those good temperatures from that charcoal pellet. Now I'm running them at 400 because that fat is so thick underneath that skin on that thigh, it needs a high heat to melt it down, to render it. That's what's going to make that skin bite through. It's going to make it a little bit crispy. It's going to give us a ton of flavor from all that melted schmaltz running all over that meat. All we're doing is taking these thighs, and the way I like to do them is kind of grab them by the end bone like this, and I like to set them kind of crossways on that grate and make sure they're in that same form when I set them down. And since I touched them, I always like to hit them with a little bit more rub just to cover up any imperfections. So we're just going to lightly shower a little bit right across them. We're going to get this smoker closed up. We got some of that good hickory smoke rolling, running at 400 degrees. We're going to check these dudes in about half an hour. So it's been about 30 minutes. I like to peek at these thighs. Oh, man. Oh, look at that crust. You don't think those things are getting crunchy? That's what that high heat does. And I'm going to check one of these little ones just to see where we're at. 169, 170. I want to take them up to like at least 190, 195. I like that thigh to be higher. It's done at 175. We still got about 15, 20 more minutes to go before I'm ready to get them off the pit. Total cook time's been about 55 minutes, y'all. We got some really good color. Skin's looking awesome on these. I know that little one was about 175. Let's check this bigger one that we had out here. And it's sitting right about 196. That's where I want them. So we're gonna get them off here. So just wear some gloves, carefully transfer them. That's a smoked thigh at 400 degrees, rendered all that fat. Now, this is where we're going to take these thighs over the top. We done put the seasoning on them, put the smoke to them, rendered the fat. Now, we're going to put the flavor to them, y'all. I've got my Mississippi white sauce. It's a cousin of the Alabama white sauce, but we're in Mississippi, so that's what I call it. You don't have to warm it up. This is straight out the bottle, off the shelf. We're just going to take these thighs, grab them by the ends, dunk that thigh off in there. That right there is white sauce chicken. Now, it may not be the most beautiful piece of chicken, but it sure tastes good. Skin bites through, juicy. That white sauce just makes it creamy and tangy. That's good eating chicken. I'm good for about 3 or 4 of them. Dip it back down through there. Some fire eating chicken right there, y'all.